Toronto's up 1-0. Matthews is quick on the draw. Rocks him on the play. And the puck leaves the zone. One-on-one with the goaltender. Here we go.
Finish it off. Makes a perfect shot. Looked like the goalie was expecting a deke. He got back a little deep in the net, and the puck beats him with the shot.
Officials are in position, and both teams are getting ready as they get set for another face-off here. Face-off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Moves it to Ritchie. Sends it out right in front. The Bluejackets gain possession along the wall. From the left side, takes it at center. Huge stop by Brassic.